In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel Hubspot paid subscription. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to your Hubspot account in a web browser and that you have the right permissions to manage billing. In many teams, only certain users can access billing settings, so if you do not see the options I mention, you may need to ask an account admin to do this part. Once you are in Hubspot, go to the top right corner of the screen and click your account name. This opens a small menu with several account options. From that menu, choose Account and Billing. This is the section where Hubspot keeps your plan details, payment information, and active products, so it is the correct place to manage cancellations. After the Account and Billing page loads, look for the Subscriptions tab and click it. This tab lists the products and services currently attached to your account, such as paid hubs, add-ons, or other subscription items. Take a moment to confirm you are looking at the correct account if you manage more than one, since changes here will affect billing. Next, find the specific product you want to cancel. On the same row as that product, click Manage Subscription. This opens the management options for that particular subscription, which helps you avoid canceling the wrong item. In the management view, click Cancel Subscription. In some cases, you may see an option labeled Downgrade to Free instead. Choose the Cancel or Downgrade option that matches your goal. If you downgrade to free, you typically keep limited access, while canceling may fully remove the paid service at the end of the billing period. Hubspot will then ask you to select a cancellation reason. Choose the option that best fits your situation, then click Next. This step is mainly for feedback, but it is required to continue. Finally, carefully review the confirmation screen. This is where you should pay attention to any notes about what happens next, such as when the cancellation takes effect, and what access changes you can expect. When you are ready, click Confirm Cancellation to finalize the request. Once you confirm, you should see an updated status for that subscription. That covers everything you need to know.